Hey guys, my name is KURLS and welcome back to my channel. So this week's video is about deep conditioning. I'm going to teach you how to deep condition your natural hair. So I have I don't know, I was thinking about it. I don't actually have a deep conditioning video. Have a review of a deep conditioner, and then I have a video where I talk about all my favorite deep conditioners. You see it in my routine, but I've still had people ask me questions about it, you know, when you should do it and how often and everything like that. So when I talk about deep conditioning, it's always jumbled up with other videos. So here we are. We have a deep conditioning video just for my girls who are still confused and that ask me questions about it. So this video is for you, so you better make sure you watch it. Oh yeah, and since we're here and we're talking about that, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let's see. So what you need for your deep condition. So just take a moment, you know, in this week, even if it's not today, just take a moment during the week, you know, so you can deep condition your hair. It can be like your me time, your moment to exhale. Because I don't know about you, I love to deep condition. It's like my favorite part out of the whole hair regimen, period. I just love it. So, you know, sit down, unwind, and let's get to it. So this is what you need to deep condition. You need your mist bottle so that you can dampen your hair. You need a sealant oil. I have grapeseed oil. You need a moisturizing oil. This is olive oil. Obviously, you need a deep conditioner. You need 4 clips and a scrunchie. So, and then you know, I don't know, a shirt, a towel. I have both of them. I have a shirt and a microfiber towel. So as I'm going, I can clean off my hands if I need to. So the deep conditioner that I'm going to be using today is the BodyWorks Natural Deep Conditioner. It is paraben free, sulfate free. It's 16 fluid ounces. It looks like this. So it's made with jojoba oil. So let's see. I have never used this before actually, but I love BodyWorks, so this was something I got a month ago, and I'm just working my way through my deep conditioners. So as you can see, it still has the seal on it. I love jar conditioners. I mean, this is a lot of product, super exciting. So let's get to it, guys. First thing you need to do, you need to start off with clean hair, whatever that looks like for you. For me, I just needed to condition my hair. If you need a shampoo, if this is the week for you where you need to shampoo and condition, that's fine. Just make sure you're starting off with clean hair. And then you need to go ahead and divide your hair into 4 sections. The best way to deep condition is to make sure your hair is divided, separated, so that we can get all our strands. Okay, so you leave one section out, because that's what we're going to start with. Grab your mist bottle. If you haven't watched any videos where I've talked about this, this is just a mist bottle from Sally's. Okay, you just want to completely saturate each section so that, you know, the product glides through easier. Alright, so now we're just about to get to it. You want to grab a nice amount of your deep conditioner and just apply it to the section. Ooh, this is very minty. It just hits you. Like I said, I've never used this deep conditioner before. So yeah, you just want to keep running your fingers through your hair, working in the deep conditioner until you feel it's evenly distributed and you have a good consistency of product on there. You really want to focus on your ends when you deep condition. There we go. Okay, so now that you have the product completely applied to that section, see, this is what I meant about towels, because now, well, this is like the shirt, but like a shirt, a towel, whatever, just to clean your hands, because you're going from your deep conditioner to your oil and it can just get slippery. Okay, so you want to go in with your sealant oil so that you can seal in the product. I just think it's easier to do this in these type of applicators. You know, obviously there are some brands that make their oils and they already come in this type of applicator, like the melanin oil already comes in. The applicator looks like this. I just think it's the best one. It just comes out easy and then you can just like work it into your hair versus like how oil comes in a bottle. So you might find it easier to just buy your oil and then get an applicator and put it in the applicator just for easier, like just for easy application. So once you, I was kind of talking, so once you completely apply your sealant, then you just need to go ahead and put the section up and forget about it, because now you still got 3 more sections to do. So we are literally just going to repeat the process for each section. So I'm not going to sit here and talk your head off. We're just going to work together and we're going to deep condition our hair. Like, is it just me or do you just lose products when you're doing your hair? Like, what? I don't even know how the mist bottle got all the way over there. I just make sure you like really saturate your hair when you apply your deep conditioner. It's just, the product goes on easier. Focus on your ends. You can start there if you like and then like work your way up. This smells really good. Yeah, if you're not really sure what deep conditioner to start with, because I know that is a common, hold on, I'm like making a mess. Okay, so if you have like never deep conditioned your hair before, you know, I feel like that's why you would be watching this video, unless you just really here for support and you just watch videos just because, like you're here because you're interested in deep conditioning your hair, not really knowing like where to start, what to do. So I get a question a lot about like what's the best deep conditioner, or like what deep conditioner to start with, or what deep conditioner to use. Honestly, it's about like the needs of your hair, like whatever's going on with your hair, just overall, or even just what you've been feeling lately about your hair. You start there, like identify a need, and then you get the deep conditioner to fill that need, to help, whether it's like damage, breakage, you feel like your hair needs to be stronger, you need to strengthen your hair, or we just, you know, worried about the overall health of it, or if you just don't even know what the issue is and you just want to deep condition your hair, because regardless, deep conditioning is really healthy for your hair. You know, it just resets your hair, gives your hair a fresh start from everything that's been going on for the week. Just the elements, your hair is dirty, you know, it's just a nice way to clean your hair. So my favorite deep conditioners are Shea Moisture, Jamaican Black Castor Oil. That is like bomb. If you don't know where to start, like try that one, because it just covers so much in one deep conditioner. It's there to restore your hair from like damage. If your hair has been chemically processed, you need to strengthen your hair. Like most of the time those are the issues, like damage, growth, restoring your hair. So that deep conditioner tackles all of that. So you can definitely start with the Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Like I said, this, like, Eden BodyWorks is a very good line. I know for a fact they have like 2 really good deep conditioners. I will list down below like these deep conditioners that I'm talking about, and if I forget to mention like a favorite, then I'll list that as well. So if you're interested in like what deep conditioners to start with, I'm going to list them down below in the description box so you know where to get started. Okay, so everything is applied to all the sections, so go ahead and release your hair. So this is the point where, you know, you go ahead and focus on areas that you feel like you missed. Like I feel like in the front I could use a little more. So I'm just going to put some on the front. And then, because we just care so much about these ends, I'm going to go in one more time. The ends. I just don't believe there's, you know, such thing as too much deep conditioner. So there we are. Okay, we're done applying the deep conditioner. So now olive oil that you're wondering, like, why haven't we used? We're going to go ahead and put that to the scalp. Deep condition is messy, so I just always throw on some little graphic t-shirt because deep conditioner is always everywhere when you get finished. So yeah, deep conditioner is completely applied. Like you'll notice that, you know, your hair will start clumping together like it's doing like so. And the last thing you need to do is just put your hair up into a ponytail. You know what I didn't bring that you're gonna need? I'm gonna go get. Okay, another thing you're gonna need is some form of plastic cap. I have a plastic cap as well as a shower cap. I wear both. So let's put this hair in a bun on top of our head. I mean, if you want to put it down at the bottom, if it's too much tension for you at the top, just, you know, whatever. Just make sure, put it up so it's like out of the way. So, hair is up on top of my head like so. And then I apply my plastic cap. And then shower cap. Okay. So that's it. That's the process. That's how you deep condition your hair. Now you just need to let your hair sit for 30 minutes to an hour. Like I always let my hair sit for an hour, but honestly just do what you have time for. Just let it sit. I mean, 10 minutes honestly is not enough. It takes longer to apply the product. So if you're only going to let it sit in for 10 minutes, it's just kind of a waste. So at least shoot for 30 minutes or longer. So guys, that concludes this video. It's just me giving you a reference video for when you sit down to deep condition your hair. If you have any questions or just don't feel comfortable or don't understand the process, that's what this video is for. Your deep condition is a part of your hair regimen. So it's a part of your weekly hair regimen. You do it every single week. So if you need to, until you get comfortable every single week, watch these videos until you feel comfortable in understanding how to deep condition your hair. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you're not already, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!